The Tindaya beaches are legendary, magical, unspoilt, and rather difficult to find. This sleepy village is the starting point for those seeking something special off the beaten track. Many map-wielding adventurers arrive in the village, some get no further. Meet Jill and Bob, our unofficial tour guides and long-term residents of the village.
I've lived here for over 10 years now with my husband Bob. Tindaya Beach is beautiful. I think our first attempt we went all over the mountains down this road, and there was a much simpler road than the one we took. Locally the beach is known as Playa de la Mujer because when you get down to the car park you look across and there's the silhouette of a woman's face in the rocks. Sunset is the best time for reflections.
From the village, the journey takes about 20 minutes in real time, but courtesy of some sped up film, we give you our 3-minute guide to discovering beach paradise. Just before that, a few brief words of warning before setting off.
Down that way there is no phone signal on any network. I think you probably get a phone signal about a mile or so on the way back. There are no lifeguards down there. Officially, hire companies say that you're not allowed to go on the rough tracks, but we see a lot of hire cars go down there, and you're not going to do any damage provided you drive sensibly.
We weren't the only people filming on this occasion. Some of the signs you see in this video were temporary ones for a picture being shot in the area and might have been removed by the time we release this footage. So, disclaimers done, let's get on the road with Bob behind the wheel. There are 2 entrances to Tindaya from the FV10. First, we'll converge the routes from both entrances at the village church before moving on to the beach. Approaching from Caleta de Fuste, take the south turning from the FV10. Follow the road past Casa Alta on the left and Bar Maria on the right. Turn left at the junction, not forgetting to look right. Continue to the church. Approaching from Corralejo, use the north turning from the FV10. Follow the road. Pass the Bar Maria on your left. Continue to the church. The church is opposite the culture centre, which has a small car park. You might want to stop here to have a little look around and soak up the quaintness. Back on the road, pass Bar Gonzalez and bear right. Head towards Restaurante Los Podomorfos and maybe take in the view. Carry on along the main road. Look for this sign. Turn left. Head up the hill and turn right. Pass the windmill. Turn right. Watch the bump. Follow the dusty road. Enjoy a few meters of tarmac. Then turn right to hit the dirt track. Keep going past the turning. Past the no dumping sign. Stay on the main track. Notice the sea ahead of you. Bear left. Stay on that track. Look out for this large sign. The wheelie bins signify that you've made it to civilization. Park up, dust yourself off, and chill out. Links to the Google Maps of these routes are attached to this video.